You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to scrape subscriber count of a YouTube channel using Selenium. You can view subscriber count of any YouTube channel whether you are owner of that channel or not. Let's start. I have already installed Chrome browser in my system. Here we will use Chrome driver. So first of all we will search the path of Chrome driver. Then we will copy that path. I am writing Chrome driver in search bar and then we will search. I have found the Chrome driver, so I will copy the path of Chrome driver. Here I am using modern YouTube channel URL. Let's take an example. Here I am writing www.youtube.com/@channel name. Here I am writing @Young Talent Official Channel. This is the modern way of writing YouTube channel address, and this will open the YouTube channel Young Talent Official. We will use this URL for searching the subscriber count. I have already installed Selenium and Time library packages. Let's start coding. Here I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. First of all, we will import all the necessary classes and functions of Selenium and Time library package. Here our first class is Webdriver. Second class is Time. Here we will use sleep function of Time package for inserting delay. Third, we will import service class of Chrome WebDriver for the loading of our WebDriver. Next, we will import by function of Selenium WebDriver that we will use for searching a particular web element. Last function which we will import is WebDriver wait, that will use to give some time for loading Chrome driver. Next we will set the path of Chrome driver. You can paste here the previously copied path, or if you don't know the path then you can write here ./driver/Chrome driver. Here dot means the root folder. Here root folder is the folder where our source code file is stored. Next we will create the object of service class and pass the path of Chrome driver as an argument. Next we will input the name of modern YouTube channel by using input function from the user. Next we will create the modern YouTube channel address by using channel name and store that string in a variable URL. Now we are start to load the Chrome WebDriver in memory. Here we are assigning driver as a Chrome driver name. Here we are giving 10 seconds for loading and starting of Chrome web browser. Next we will open our YouTube channel in Chrome browser. Here we are setting 3 seconds for loading and opening URL in Chrome browser. After opening channel in Chrome browser, now we will scrape subscriber count from our web page. Here for scraping subscriber count, I will use find element function and pass the xpath as an parameter. Xpath means an XML path that uniquely identified the address part of an XML document and locate the element based on the text of a web element. Next we will write the xpath. Here we will use formatted string for xpath. At last we will convert scraped result in text. Now we will print the subscriber count. This is the last statement of our program. We have completed our whole program. If you want to see the XPath of your subscriber count, then first download the source code of your main channel web page. Then parse that web page using XML parser and beautiful soup. After converting your HTML web page into XML page, you can see XPath of subscriber count. We have created the program. Now we will run the program. In output window, it is asking for channel name. I am inserting T series. T series is a famous Indian music channel. Then I will press the enter button, and after some time it will start to load the Chrome browser in memory and start its service. Here we have given 10 seconds for loading. So after 10 seconds it will completely open the web browser, and now it is also opening the T series channel. After 3 seconds it will close the web browser and scrape the subscriber count. This channel has 243 million subscribers. Let's take another example. Now I am opening computer coding class as a YouTube channel, and we will scrape the subscriber count of this channel. It will also taking 10 seconds for loading the web browser. Now it is opening our YouTube channel computer coding class, and after 3 seconds it will close the Chrome browser and show the subscriber count. There are 994 subscribers of this channel. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. Please subscribe us.